natin si Coach Renzi Bahar, his first win sa PBA. Again, Coach, congratulations. And ano lang yung thoughts mo dun sa game, you scored 41 points in the third. Ano yung nangyari na sabi mo?
Yes, no. Before everything else, I want to thank the Lord for giving my first win, the PBA. Then, yun pa, against my former coach, Coach Leo Austria, no. So, now, siguro yung yung motivation lang namin, number one is going to this game is we outplayed for the last two games. Kumbaga, blowout losses against Terra Firma and against Phoenix. Yun lang, yung challenge lang namin siguro, especially sa akin, challenge ko sa mga players is yung have some pride on their, number one, on their jobs, on this team, because this Titan team can beat anybody. So, ang game plan lang namin since San Miguel is coming from a championship conference last season, last conference, siguro medyo nasa cloud 9 pa sila, no? Saka at the same time, medyo kumbaga baka hindi pa nila kami seryoso. So yun nga, tinake advantage lang namin yung opportunity that San Miguel give us. So then eventually our player response, especially our best player si Josh Monson, that's our leader. So yun lang naman, kaya we want to win talaga on this game. So binigyan kami ng opportunity to win, so we just grab the opportunity.
Secondly, Joshua, great team tonight. Like Coach mentioned, you're coming off from a blowout defeat, so you're able to focus on this game against the powerhouse opponents.
Yeah, I mean, we just wanted to show that we can compete. Those first two games, I think, we got smacked in the mouth to start those games, and I think tonight, we showed that we can compete in this league and we can compete with anybody. So I think we got to build on that. Take tonight, we was up like 20 points. So I mean, they hats off to San Miguel. They came back, but at the same time, we got to learn from that. And next time we get a lead like that, just try and build and try and sustain. But at the same time, it was a hard-fought win for us tonight. We needed this. We needed this win.
Congratulations first.
Thank you.
Every time na naka-ask ko sa Miguel, yung advantage yung siguro na tawag na siguro sa Miguel na tinatakbuhan yung sila, paano isipan na i-take advantage or by yung running team?
Yeah, yun lang. We just start our good defense. So yun lang naman, I'm always keep telling my boys na just we want to stop. After one stop, we look to run. Because medyo wala pa halos sa timing yung San Miguel. So we take that opportunity na kahit pa paano, we start right away on our defense. Then from our defense, we look to run. That's our game plan for tonight. Then yun na nga, number one is the boys responded, especially our bigs, Paulo Habilunar, Denver Omega, Ato Ulan. So they sacrifices a lot for Junmar and their import. Then even our import, Michael Gilmore, sacrificed for his defense against CJ Perez. But yun lang talaga, bottom line dito, that's why we won the game is the defense talaga. The defense carried out for this game.
So, this kind of victory after those defeats, how big of a confidence booster is for you guys that confidence to win games, especially against the power team like San Miguel?
For sure. That's one of the best teams in this league. So to get a win like this tonight means a lot to us, especially, like you said, coming off those blowout losses. So, we definitely, build some confidence on this game, and then, we got to bring it to the next game and just keep taking steps forward. That's it.
Coach, you lost your last conference sa beginning, 41 points. Motivation ba?
Yes, isa sa motivation namin because that's a blowout loss for us. So from that conference, medyo nasabon yung buong team ng management. So pero hindi na namin recall for this game yan. But yung challenge na lang na at the same time naging motivation namin na we play the champion team ngayon. So we will just kumbaga yung challenge lang na maibigay namin sa kanila, it's okay na.
Josh, what's your previous game against Phoenix at the back of your head because you had the turnovers and you had the bad game?
Yeah, for sure. And nobody's harder on those games than me on myself. So, I look myself in the mirror, just got to bounce back. Just one game, but always got to get better as the games go forward. So, definitely wanted to come out tonight, have a better performance, and just try and get the win for my team. So, for sure, wanted to bounce back after that last game.
What's your thoughts na kay Michael Gilmore? He played very well tonight. Another reason na ako nito panalo na.
Yes, correct. Michael Gilmore play his pride, especially on defense. Okay, I talk to him for every practice, after the practice, before practice, na he needs to be more concentrated on our defense. Okay, his points is, kumbaga, andyan lagi yan. But the defense, on the defensive side, yun yung kailangan namin sa kanya. And Michael Gilmore responded tonight. On the first half, he stopped CJ Perez. Sayang lang because foul trouble siya in the second half. So, but overall, is our anchor on our defense.
For example, si Fran pala penalist na kung ano lang naman sa akin sa pagdadala niya sa team, actually parang last conference halos din
Yes, actually, Franyo is our, kumbaga parang ang ganda ng mga pinakita ni Fran today. He has a lot of pass break passes to Josh, to our small guy, to Michael Gilmore, even in our big man. So dinala niya talaga yung team namin for today's game. Then plus siyempre si Fran is sabihin na natin halos veteran player na rin siya. So hopefully maging maayos to the future games namin. So yun naman.
Salamat.
Thank you, Ben.